Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve performance issues you are experiencing on your Windows computer. So we are going to go over a few different methods for different features you can turn on or off in this today's tutorial. The first thing I recommend to do is go to search menu and type control panel. Open it. Here you need to click on large icons and go to power option. Here show additional plans over here. You need to high performance, braver performance, but may use more energy. If you are using laptop, this will more battery loss, I think. So think about it, guys. But high performance, this will so much good in performance. And that's it, guys. And go for next options. Go to search menu and type cmd. Run as administrator. Now click yes. Here type on sfc space slash scannow. Press enter, guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan verification, this need to be 100%, need to complete it. Wait for it, guys. After finishing this 100%, go close out of here. Go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Over here, open it. Your already deleted files be cleared over here, bro. You can clean up system files. You can clean up this, check the box recycle bin also, and clean up system file. After finishing this, click OK. Delete files. Sure, you want to permanently delete these files. Delete. Next thing, you need to restart your PC. Before restarting, go to task manager. Tap the bar, right click, task manager. Go to startup apps. Here you need to disable all of these. Why means this will because also opening up your Windows, this will be bad for your performance, so you need to disable it. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Goodbye.